Hi guys, so today we are making the loudest noise with paper. La blah blah la. Okay, so first, as you can see, you do this, make it long ways, then you fold it in half. And if you have a paper like me, hold on a second, gotta do this. Takes me a long time to do this. I don't know why. Porcupine. Dang, I can't do it this perfect. I don't know why. I just did it. Okay, there we go. And if you have a paper like me, like you have these, just tear them off. Make it even, just like this. Put the paper. There you see. Okay. So what you do from there, keep it long ways, then fold it like a little booklet that you have at school. As you can see, it's like this. Now, what I want you to do from there is open it up. Keep your finger. Ma'am! Hold on a second, guys. Okay, guys, like that. So, put your finger, open it up, put your finger right here in the middle, then follow it. And then you got, like, mine's right here. No, mine's on the bottom. Mine's right here. So you gotta tear it, top right corner, tear it, and there should be a little, like, curved L. So then you gotta open it up. There should be like a medium-ish hole, but mine's big. See, mine's around it. Okay, so what you want to do from there, you gotta fold it a little bit before, no, a little bit after. Then fold the other piece right where you want it to be. Like the same, like a door. And what do you want to do from there? You do the same thing, but it's this way. So look, you gotta fold it, put your thing down, put your hole down, then put the thing, fold it a little bit after, as you guys are doing. Then fold it until it's like a little mini door. A little door. Then look. Mine's too big. I'm gonna have to redo it. Oh, hurry. I'll probably edit, see if I can. I don't even know. I'm gonna know. And so, you should know. Ooh, I don't know. Our hole's too big. I'll go fast. Sorry I hadn't been talking a lot. Okay. So now, boom, boom. I got it. You see? So I want you to do what is blow it up with your hole and then go a little bit. No, it's not. Oh my god. Just like that, but mine just won't work. It keeps ripping out. Gotta do another one. Sorry. It's just, I tried to do it first time. Oh yeah, alright. I gotta hurry. I don't care if I rode on it. I don't care. No, I don't care. I'm John Cena. I just do everything else. Country. Everybody stop. It was the old time for the cars country. Yeah. Fun riding that's country. Yeah. Oh, apparently. If this breaks again, what? Oh, okay. Okay. There we go. As hard as you can. So guys, give it a thumbs up if you want to see my mess that I already had. I used all of this, all of that, and I still never done it right. Oh wait, what's this one? I don't think I can do it again. I doubt it, but oh, this one's the big one. Alright. I'm grubbling. Yeah. Ow. No. Concentrate. Concentrate. There we go. So guys, as you can see, that is a total mess. And I got this from that. I'll pick it up. No biggie. No big deal.